how the long side of her scoliosis neck is tilted over to the side, but it's the long side that's the pain. And Lauren was saying, well, the long side sometimes gets a lot of trigger points. I just don't really see that. But
yeah, it's a tendency of the neuromuscular feedback loop, is that trigger points tend to show up in eccentrically loaded muscles, right? So that's the long side muscle. The fascial layer of that, of the locked along, like the fabric on a shirt, when something is stretched long, it tends to buckle, right?
Oh.
So the fascia tends to, there's still a fascial problem with an eccentrically loaded muscle tissue, but it tends to be sort of that it's buckling and sort of rolling in on itself. The locked short side, the held short side, the fascia tends to thicken around that. And the muscle can still be tight and sore, but it also tends to be less sensitive. So that's, for the locked short side, is where we tend to find that sort of neuromotor amnesia, where people don't even realize that it's tight. And when you start working on it, they're like, oh, I didn't even know that side was sore. I always thought it was over here, but this side, when you get there and actually start touching it again, brings it back on their radar, sort of wakes it up, and then they go, oh, wow, yeah, I guess now I really can feel how tight that is, but I wasn't aware of it.